Yang ketiga, sambutan. Yang keempat, pembacaan doa. Wah.
We personally visited the site in Indonesia to evaluate the client's premises and conducted an in-depth analysis of the surrounding competitors, helping to create a differentiated playground that gives the client's indoor playground a competitive edge. Our design team was also actively involved, achieving deep collaboration with the client. Through full process support, we stayed by the client's side, promptly addressing various issues to ensure smooth project progress. Finally, we successfully completed the design, installation, and delivery of 4 indoor play centers, each exceeding 1,000 square meters. Providing one-stop professional support from planning to implementation for the client. BestonRides specializes in providing high-quality play equipment for customers around the world. With international offices in Indonesia, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, Nigeria, Russia, and the Philippines, we are able to provide fast and reliable service to our customers around the world. Follow us for more indoor playground investment advice.